Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change Facebook profile to digital creator. Let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook app. After that, go to menu on the top right. From here, tap on See Your Profile. After that, you need to tap on the three dots on the right side. Now, if you scroll down, you'll get to see an option that says Turn on Professional Mode. Tap on that. And here, as you can see, you can get paid for your content, see content insights, let more people follow you. So these are the benefits of turning on professional mode. You'll be able to use a lot more tools on your profile, so tap on Turn On. From here, scroll down and finish setting up your profile. You can choose to go through them now or you can do them later. So now, go back to your profile. And here, as you can see, it says Digital Creator on my profile. Now, I will have access to all the digital creator tools and services available on my profile. So that is how you change your Facebook profile to Digital Creator.